Number 1. 1996 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,000, equipped with a 5.0 Vortec V8 paired to a smooth 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in white with a clean gray interior, this California truck is 98% rust-free and remarkably solid underneath. It has been dropped 7.5 inches in the front and 5.5 inches in the rear, giving it a distinct stance, while sitting on 20-inch Milani rims with low-profile tires. The long 8-foot bed is topped with a nice tonneau cover, adding both style and utility. Recent maintenance includes new steering components, fresh brakes, and a replaced clutch, ensuring it remains reliable for everyday use. Inside, the Sierra is fitted with a double DIN touchscreen radio, a small subwoofer tucked behind the seat, and an amplifier, making the cabin both practical and modern. The truck also comes with cruise control, air conditioning, manual locks, roll-up windows, and tinted glass all around. Number 2. 1985 Ford F250, price $8,000, comes with 110,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a 6.9 LIDI diesel engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Finished in black, the truck carries what the owner calls a 30 miles per hour paint job, showing a few runs, dents, and plenty of character that give it a rugged, old-school charm. It currently runs, though one intake valve has a bit of sediment beneath it, causing an occasional pop. The valve has been regularly soaked in lubricant, and performance has improved significantly over time. Adding to its personality, the truck is also equipped with a roll-down rear window sourced from a Bigfoot cruiser truck. While it could use some TLC, it still functions as intended. Number 3. 1965 Ford F150, price $10,000, shows 66,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by its original 240 inline-6 engine paired with a 3-speed manual column shifter. Finished in turquoise with a black interior, it carries a clean title in the current owner's name. The truck wears a great patina and has proven to be a reliable driver, regularly commuting back and forth to downtown Chicago multiple days a week without issue. It requires nothing mechanically and consistently attracts attention wherever it goes. The engine runs strong, with the timing gears replaced earlier this summer, paperwork included, and the transmission shifts smoothly. All gauges function properly, while the heater and defroster deliver plenty of warm air. For those unfamiliar with operating a column shifter, the owner even offers to provide a simple lesson. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1979 Chevrolet 2500, price $10,000, equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, featuring a gray exterior with a matching gray interior. The truck is fitted with a functioning 4x4 system and is powered by a fresh 396 engine that was installed just 13,000 miles ago. It has been upgraded with a Holley Sniper fuel injection system, new fuel lines and tank, along with newer Wilwood front brakes, calipers, booster, and master cylinder. Inside, it features a retro sound system, adding a touch of modern convenience to its classic design. The truck runs and drives well, and it was even used daily by the owner's son during his senior year. While it remains a solid driver, it will eventually need some attention to the cab corners, rockers, lower door skins, and the driver's side floor pan. Overall, this Chevrolet 2500 offers a strong foundation for restoration or simply as a fun, reliable classic to enjoy as is. Number 5. 1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,500, well-kept pickup with 83,000 miles on the body and an automatic transmission. Finished in sleek black with a tan interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by a newer motor that has only about 18,000 miles on it, ensuring strong and reliable performance. While the AC is currently not working, the heater functions perfectly, making it comfortable in cooler weather. Inside, there are a few minor cosmetic blemishes on the ceiling, but overall, the cabin remains presentable and functional. The truck also features Apple Play connectivity for easy device hookup and delivers an impressive sound when running. Recent maintenance includes the installation of new fuel lines, adding to its reliability and readiness for the road. Number 6. 1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000. It has 215,000 miles on it and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a gray interior, it runs on gasoline and has proven to be a reliable and capable truck. It runs and drives great, with the transmission, suspension, frame, and drivetrain all in excellent condition. The engine is older, but it still performs well without major issues. While the truck does not have air conditioning and the windshield wipers can be a bit quirky, overall it remains a strong, dependable vehicle. Known for being a beast in the snow, it offers plenty of confidence in harsh weather conditions. Included with the truck are the stock wheels and tires, along with extra fenders and cab corners that have not yet been installed. Number 7. 1978 Ford F150, price $6,000, powered by a 4.9L 300 cubic inch inline-6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, it runs on gasoline and comes with a clean title in hand. The truck starts up every time and runs well. While the cab has a little rust, the bed shows the most rust damage. All exterior lights are in working order, including the headlights, taillights, side markers, and blinkers. The seatbelts are included but not fully installed, as they are currently in the cab awaiting installation. Recent updates include brand new wheels and tires, along with new rotors, calipers, and brakes on the front end. The rear has been fitted with new boots, and the bench seat has been reupholstered beneath the seat cover. Number 8. 1978 Chevrolet C10, price $8,500. This truck comes with a smooth automatic transmission and is finished in a classic blue exterior with an off-white interior. Powered by a strong 350 engine paired with a TH350 transmission, it offers both power steering and power disc brakes for an easier, more confident driving experience. The truck is equipped with an aluminum 4-barrel intake, headers, dual exhaust, and a small cam, giving it a healthy rumble and added performance. It runs and drives well, though there is a minor transmission fluid drip that the owner has noticed. A brand new radiator is already on order to further improve reliability. Running on gasoline, the C10 delivers the timeless character of a late 70s Chevy pickup with a blend of performance and classic style. Number 9. 1971 Chevrolet C20, price $6,000. This truck is powered by a dependable 307 engine paired with a 4-speed SM465 manual transmission on the floor. The truck has received extensive restoration work, including a fully replaced floor, new inner roof panel, as well as rockers and cab corners that have been welded in for durability. Inside, it features a refreshed interior with a new seat, dash pad, and steering wheel, while the heater is in proper working order. The bed and tailgate have been uniquely redone using wood reclaimed from an old cedar fence, giving the truck a touch of character and charm. It also rides on new front tires, ensuring it is ready for the road. Number 10. 1992 GMC 2500, price $6,500, powered by a 5.7L V8 paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in red with a matching interior, it runs on gasoline and has benefited from extensive recent work. Upgrades include a Chevy grille, Beltec lowering kit, new suspension components, gas tank, fuel pump, stainless lines, painted frame, brakes, hoses, and tie rods. The engine was rebuilt only 10,000 miles ago, with the clutch done at the same time. It also has a new battery, rear tires, and an aluminum radiator. Cosmetically, it wears a faux patina with Poppy's clear coat. The fenders show rust, the rockers are covered, and the cab corners have been patched. The AC and radio are not working, but mechanically the truck is strong and ready to drive.